Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Gould and I'm the development team lead here at Musicplay. Today I will be showing you how to navigate our workshop site, workshops.musicplay.ca. Let's start with what you can even find on this site. Workshops.musicplay.ca is where we host all of our PD or professional development content. This includes our completely free Wednesday webinar series, the Sing Dance Play Summer Symposium we host every year, as well as any additional public PD presentations we do. Now how to access the site. You can navigate directly to workshops.musicplay.ca and then click Login in the top right of the site. You can also access the site from your account page by clicking on the logo on the left-hand side. You can also use your existing account for Musicplay Online to sign into the workshop site, even if you don't have an active subscription. If you need to, you can create a new account for workshop access at this URL. All right, now that we've logged in, we will go over the navigation. From the main page, you will see a few featured events. Under the Next Up section, there will be links to a few upcoming workshops and webinars. You will also likely see our Summer Symposium featured on this page. Clicking on the link on this will take you to the Summer Symposium site with details on how to purchase and view the workshop. Near the bottom of the page, you will see some webinars that we have recently hosted. Back to the top of the page is the navigation bar. You can click on the logo in the top left at any time to return to this main page. Moving right, there is a link to view all the workshops on the site. Clicking this brings you to a page with all of the workshops and webinars we have done, sorted by type with the newest ones on the left and the older ones on the right. The next link on the top bar is the Presenters tab. Clicking this will bring you to a list of all the presenters that have done a workshop session or webinar for us. Clicking on one will give you a quick bio on them, list their socials, as well as list all of the sessions that they have on our site. Back at the top, the help link will take you to our knowledge base, help.musicplay.ca, where you can search for help articles on any one of our products. Continuing on the navigation bar, there is a small search box that you can use to search the site. You can use this if you know what you are looking for and want to pull it up quickly. Next, in the top right, is the My Account dropdown. We will step through the options one at a time. First, the My Workshops link will take you to a page where you can see every workshop you have enrolled for. The workshops will be listed with the most recent at the top, and clicking on one will take you to the main page for that workshop. The next option in the dropdown is certificates. Clicking this link will take you to the page where you can find every PD certificate you have earned from our site. Like the My Workshops page, every workshop you have enrolled in will be listed, this time alphabetically. Clicking on a workshop in this list will show you any certificates you have earned, letting you view and reprint them. The Edit Account link will take you to the main account page, where you can edit the name, email address, and all other details of your account. Do note, the name on your account is the name that will appear on any PD certificates you earn from us. So if it is not appearing on the certificate correctly, you can update that here. Lastly, the Logout link will sign you out of your account. This will sign you out of both this site and all other sites that use your Musicplay account. Okay. We've gone over how to navigate the site. Now, what do we do to watch a workshop and earn those certificates? When you click on an event, it will take you to the page for that event. In the case of the Sing Dance Play Summer Symposium, this means going to the dedicated site for that event. You can view how to navigate that site on this page here. For everything else, clicking on the event will take you to the event page where the video is hosted. When you first visit the page, you will see the title of the event, the date it is happening on or happened on, if it's already passed, and a summary of what the event is about, with an option to enroll. The price will also be listed, so if it says free, clicking enroll will sign you up for the event and reload the page. If the event requires payment, it will take you to the checkout page. Once enrolled, all the same info will be there, the title, description, and dates, as well as a few other things. At the top, there is a button to view the info on the presenter for the workshop, and a link to get any related materials, such as PDFs or links to other products. Next, you will see where you can watch the video. If the event is yet to happen, this will be a Zoom link. Clicking this link at the time of the event will let you join in and watch it live. If the event has already passed, you will see the recorded video embedded on the page instead. At the bottom of the page, you can find a link to the associated quiz for the event. Click on this and complete the quiz to earn a PD certificate for the workshop. Don't worry if you don't get it right away. You can retake the quiz if you need to until you pass. And that wraps it up. Of course, if you have any questions, please send us an email to support@musicplay.ca and we will be happy to answer any questions you have.